Ravi Round The World here with my segment Gettin Real with Ravi.
Sitting with Zachary Schmahl, the creator of Schmackaries.
And I'm gonna find out how he likes to live like a native New Yorker. I'm gonna eat a bunch of his cookies. I'm gonna find my inner fat child.
What's your hometown?
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
How long did it take you to come up with the name Schmackaries?
Actually, somebody came up with it for me because in high school my nickname was Schmackary. And Zachary Schmackary just came into my mind. I was like, oh my god, Schmackaries. Lip schmacking good cookies.
Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and join you because we have some cookies on display. What is this bad boy?
That's the Monster. That's like one of my signature cookies that I like to indulge in.
Speaking of monsters, do you think the Cookie Monster would approve of Schmackaries?
Absolutely.
Who's the celebrity that you geeked out the most about coming here?
Probably K-Chen, just because like I love her. She's kind of my spirit animal.
Are you opening up another location?
Yes.
Can you let us know where it is?
We are planning on opening 2 more this year. I can't tell you where the second one will be, but the first one we just signed our lease and it will be in Williamsburg.
Brooklyn in the house!
We're in the kitchen. Now, I hear that your mom is here as well.
Oh, yeah, Mama Schmack.
Mama Schmack! We're gonna play a little game.
Uh-oh.
So, you know the game Kill, Marry, and Down?
Yeah.
That game? So this is gonna be more so baking related, and it's gonna be something you'd rather burn, like a burnt cookie, or devour. Paula Deen or Martha Stewart?
Devour Martha Stewart. She used to be hot back in the day, and burn Paula Deen.
Kim or Chloe?
Burn both.
The Countess or Lisa Vanderpump?
Lisa Vanderpump, devour, and Countess Luann, burn.
Who's your favorite man crush?
Hugh Jackman.
Well, this cookie is pretty amazing.
Yeah, it was great that you came by. How do you want to pay for that today? You didn't bring any money with you? I see how it is. Well, what we do in this case is you gotta come work behind the front counter to pay for that cookie.
Feeling like the night is young.
What's your favorite New York dive bar?
Reunion Surf Bar.
What's your favorite gay bar?
Flaming Saddles.
What's your favorite cafe other than here?
I like Stumptown.
What advice would you give to an aspiring pastry chef in New York City?
Do some business research, marketing, PR, and business acumen.
Tell me about him, like how he came about.
Well, everybody says that it's supposed to be me. Sure, we'll go with it. So we wanted to create that feeling of like being a kid and having it being fun.
Well, thanks for getting real with Ravi.
Absolutely, Ravi. Thank you for working behind the front counter. I know you were talking about getting a job with us. Don't call us, we'll call you.
Okay.